Okay, now the next one on the Everything Gotta Go giveaway is the Furibee F36. You see it anywhere? You see it? Oh, there it is. You're coming with me. We have the Furibee F36 here. So we're gonna check it out, make sure it works. Probably put a fresh battery in. There shouldn't be any soldering done in this video. This should just be a battery swap, and then this should work like normal. So like all the other Everything Gotta Go giveaways, this is not a review of this drone. The review is right there if you want to check it out. This is just to see that it works. So here it is. It's a little ducted fan drone. So we're gonna switch out this battery. This battery was a 150 milliamp hour single cell LiPo. I bought a whole bunch of them because I knew I would be switching them out for these drones for the giveaway. And here it is. And actually this battery is not 150 milliamp hour. I bought a bunch of these 220 milliamp hour batteries. So you'll actually get a longer flight time, which in my review, I do remember saying how the low voltage detection comes on really quick with this. Like you only get a couple minutes to do your flips and rolls and then you're in low voltage. Here we go. Now I got to get my 3 AAA batteries for here and we can take this in the air, see if it still flies. I don't see any propellers sticking like on the H36. I had to replace all the motors on the H36 because one of them was sticking. I want to charge this battery up because this battery isn't fully charged. And then I have a new spot that I want to fly. I'm going to check it out and see how good these drones fly in this new spot. All right, so I brought you with me to work. It's actually the weekend right now. I'm not at work, but I have access to it. So I'm gonna fly this around in here. It's a nice big open area. I always fly around at the shop. I thought maybe this would be a better place to fly around. You have a higher ceiling. Enough about that. You'll probably see this place in more videos in the future. Let's plug this in. Now this is just to see that it works. So let's just take off. Oh, this was one of my favorite drones. Okay, there, yep. All right, it still flies. It changes the rates. That's the second rate. Whoa! It does flips. So So I'm glad to see that the F36 does work pretty good. So it will be in for the giveaway. This will be giveaway number 7. And how to enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and then comment down below, and your comment is your entry. If you're unsure of how the giveaway works, I'll put the giveaway rules and the details down in the description below. And then on March 18th, I'm gonna do a live giveaway where I pick the winner for this F36, but I also have 2 other RCs that end that same day, and we'll do the live drawing for all of them. It'll be the H36, so check out that giveaway video and comment on that, get yourself entered. And then I also have this Velocis 9115 from Zingo Racing, little 1/32 scale buggy. So there's 3 giveaways going on right now. I might add 1 or 2 more before the drawing date, but good luck to everybody who enters for any of these, number 5, number 6, and now number 7. But thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see who wins these ready to run RCs.